Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. I hope you guys having a great week. Today we're going to be doing practice question number 2, networking for the Red Hat System Administrator version 9. So we have to assign static network settings IPv4 as 10.0.2.5, NetMask gateway DNS 10.0.2.1, and lastly we have the hostname kiddie.youtube.com. So for this question we have to be root, so we're gonna do su root. Let me clear this. Clear. Okay, so let's verify that we have the host name. So as you can see, we have localhost local domain. So we actually have to change that, but that's gonna be the last thing what we're gonna do. So we're gonna use NMTUI. It stands for Network Manager User Interface. So we're gonna go here, it says edit, scroll down, IPv4 here, we're gonna show, and then where it says automatic we have to put manual. On addresses we're gonna add the IPv4, whatever IPv4 that they tell you in the exam. So in this case we have 10.0.2.5/24. Let me go down on the gateway. So gateway is 10.0.2.1, and then the DNS is gonna be the same thing, so 10.0.2.1. we're gonna go down, so we're gonna focus on this part. Is very important where it says automatically connect. So as you can see, it's already enabled, but just make sure it's already enabled in exam 2, because if not, it's not going to work. So we're gonna go back and then activate a connection, and we're gonna deactivate and activate the same connection that we just edited. Okay, let's go back, and here set system hostname. So it's gonna be kiddie.youtube.com. Easy, right? So let me click OK, and then yes, I'm gonna go down where it says OK. So after all that, we have to verify the host name. As you can see, it's kiddie.youtube.com. Let me clear this. And we have to restart the network manager service, right? And then we're gonna enable, so systemctl enable network manager, because as of Red Hat exams, every configuration change that you do, it must persist on boot. Okay, so if we do the command ifconfig, we have the new IPv4. So let me just try and ping the same IP. Okay, it works. Perfect. So let me clear the screen. We can also do cat etc resolve.com to actually verify that the DNS is applied. So as you can see, name server is 10.0.2.1. So let me clear this. What we're gonna do now is, I recommend you guys in the exam to reboot every few questions that you do. So every like 3 or 4 questions reboot, because you have to actually check if the configuration is still there. So I'm gonna do the command reboot, and I'm gonna speed up the video so you guys don't wait. Okay, perfect. So we're already in the machine, we already rebooted. So let's do su root, super do root. Let me put the password. And basically what we're gonna do now is run the same steps that we did before, ifconfig, to see if the IP is there. Let me clear this. Now we're gonna do host name. So actually host name is still there. And now we're gonna verify that we have the network manager enabled and active. So systemctl status network manager, as you can see, is active and running. And if you can see above here, it says service enabled and preset enabled. So that means it's gonna be enabled on boot, and every time that you reboot, guys, it's gonna be there working perfectly fine. So this is gonna be it for this video, guys. Thank you so much for the support. I'm going to see you in the next one.